Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Subaru BRZ coupe, stock reference number 5173. This shape runs from the 7th month 2012 through to the 9th month 2016. It has an FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with right-hand daytime running lamp with surround, left-hand daytime running lamp, left-hand fog light with surround, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has light wobbles, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, boot lid appears to have no damage, rear bumper cover has a few scuffs on the right-hand side, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.